Hello Excel explorers. If you find yourself in front of computer screen working with spreadsheet like this, you must know these shortcuts which hopefully save your hours of time. Okay, let's move to our video. So here is sheet with which we will be working today. So you can see we have a lot of data in this sheet and also have some header. So if I start scrolling down in this sheet, so my header is hidden, so I don't know from where this value is referencing, from there it's referring, and from there this date is referring. So here we have an amazing shortcut. Just go to your keyboard, press Alt W F R. Like, see, if I scroll down now, so my header is frozen, so it will be visible anywhere in this, so I can easily identify from where my this value is referencing. Unfreezing is also too much easy. Just go to your ribbon tab, go to view and press freeze pans, unfreeze pans. So now your header is unfreeze. On the second number we have control plus arrow keys. Like, you have to deal with long data like this, you have to go all the way bottom of the data. Just go to your keyboard, press control plus down arrow, so you can go at the bottom of the data. Similarly, if you want to select the data, you just go to your data, press Ctrl Shift and down arrow. This time it will reach at the bottom of the data and also select all the data. Similarly, you can go right side to select multiple columns. Just press Shift and keep pressing right arrow. Like this, you can select all the columns right side. If you unselect something, just press Shift plus left arrow, it will be unselected. Similarly, if you want to go top of your data, just go to your keyboard, press Ctrl plus up arrow, you will reach to the top of your data like this. Now I want to continue. This total says on the right side, so I will just go to next column, press from your keyboard Control plus R. Like this, it will create exact copy of last cell. So if I want to continue in the next row, so I will go to my keyboard, just simply press Control D. You can do it multiple times like this. Keep pressing Control plus D, it will create. Similarly, you can do for right side, Control plus R, Control plus R, like this. You can create multiple entries just from your keyboard. On the fourth number, we have an amazing shortcut for you. If you want create new row at there, which also link with above data, so you can go to your cell where you want enter data. Just press Alt plus down arrow. Here you will find a list of your data which you are using on the above data. Like this, you can select it and create new row from above data. So keeping in mind that it will only work for text, it will not work for your numbers. So like this, it will show you blank. The fifth number, we have an amazing shortcut for selecting whole column or row. So just go to your keyboard. If you want to select whole row of 29th row, so just press Shift plus space, your whole row will be selected. Similarly, you can do for your column. I want to select H column, just go to your keyboard, press Control plus space. So it's just small shortcuts, but let me show you some examples and other shortcuts how it will be beneficial. On the sixth number, we have some amazing shortcut which are also linked with previous shortcuts. If you want to add some row above 229th row, just go to your keyboard, press Shift plus space, it will select whole row. Just go to your keyboard, press Control Shift plus, so it will keep adding the rows above the selected row. If you want to remove these rows, just go to your keyboard, press Control plus minus, so it will be deleted. Similarly, you can do for your columns. So just go to your keyboard, press Control plus space, whole column will be selected. Now press Control Shift plus, now it will be added at the left. So keeping in mind that it will add it left. So if you want to delete them, just go to your keyboard, press Control plus minus button. So you see, it will be deleted like this. The seventh number, I have an amazing shortcut which is also linked with my previous shortcut. If you want to move whole row above, bottom or anywhere in the sheet, so you can do it from your keyboard. Just press Shift and plus space, you will select whole row. Now keep pressing your Shift button. Here you see some changing in the cursor. Just drag it where you want to place it. Like, I want to place in between this, so like this, it will be placed at there. You can move it anywhere in the sheet like this, it will be moved at there. The eighth number, you can see where our beverage brand column is too much congested. If we want to adjust in same height, we can do it from our keyboard. Just go to your formula bar, press Alt plus enter in between them. Now you can see it have a line break, so it will be adjusted in the same width. Similarly, you can do for last name, just go to in between them, press Alt plus Enter. Similarly, you can do for all, so it looks some better like this. See, same way we'll do for all, so it will be better like this. See how it looks now. Looks better now. On the ninth number, I have an amazing shortcut if you are working with group or working with intern. So you just leave some comments, so it will recheck or read your comments according to your requirements. Like you just go to your keyboard, press Shift plus F2. So here I want to convey my message to my intern, like recheck this value. I will just enter there. Can you recheck it, please? Every time my intern open this sheet, it will be visible as there's some red dot. It will go to there and he will find some comments, so he can follow these comments. On the 10th number, if you are working with some long data like this, and if you want to go your 200th row, so it's just easy task. Just go to your keyboard, press Ctrl plus G, go to menu, open, just select your row reference where you want to go. For example, I want to go 200th row. I just entered A and 200, press OK. See, it will move us to that row, so it can save a lot of our time. On the 11th number, if you want to move in between your worksheet, so you can simply do it from your keyboard. Just go to your keyboard, press Ctrl plus page down button. Here you are on the second sheet. On the 12th number, I have some missing data in column B and C. I just want to add first and last name. So it's a lot of data. It takes too much time if I do it manually. I just enter for first name for first entry only, like Valtteri. I just go to my keyboard, press Ctrl plus C. So it will autofill. Similarly, I will do for last name, like enter Bottas. So press Ctrl plus C. So it saves our lot of time. On the 13th number, if you want to calculate sum of total sales, just go to bottom of your data, press Alt plus equal, enter. The sum will be calculated at there. On the 14th number, you want to create copy of your whole column of total sales. Just go to your column, press Ctrl plus paste, Ctrl plus C for copy. Now I want to paste it there, Ctrl V. So here you can see it giving us all the values 0, because here some formulas are using. So here is used same cell referencing, so that's why it's giving us 0 value. But we can overcome this problem by your keyboard. Just go to your cell. Now this time press Ctrl Alt plus V. Now paste special menu is open. Just click on values, press OK. Now here you can see this time you have all the values as it is. On the 15th number, if you want to change the currency of these all the cells, so you can do it from your keyboard. Just go to your keyboard, press Ctrl plus 1. So here a small menu open. Just you can change your symbols, like I want their symbol with changing pound, so I just selected pound. So you can also change decimal places and some font and borders, fill, everything is available. I will go red for this, or light blue. Okay, now you can see it's changed. Similarly, on the 16th number, we have amazing shortcut. I want to repeat same step. Just go to your keyboard, press F4. It basically repeats last step which you followed. Like similarly, keep pressing and you can convert it. On the 17th number, for example, you have some typo error like this. I have some typo error in this jersey, so I just want to do it for all. So it's sometimes it's long data, it takes too much time. You just go to your keyboard, press Ctrl plus H. Now here you can do it from there, replace menu. Just place it there wrong spelling, like I have wrong spelling this. I want to change it from this. So I just do it, replace all. Now it tell us we made 24 replacements. Now you can see all the spellings are good. The 18th number, we have amazing shortcut. For example, I want to filter my all the data according to only Jersey City. I want to see only Jersey City. Just go to your data, press right click on it. Now here you have option of filter. Filter by selected cells value. Click. So here you can see all the values of Jersey City are available. If you want to remove it, you can simply remove it by right clicking on it, filter, clear filter. So now all the data are back. I want to do it for this. So similarly I do again. As you can see, my only selected filter is available. No other data is available. On the 19th number, we can do same thing from your slicer, which will be too much attractive. So just go to your keyboard, press Ctrl plus T. So here it will select all your data, press OK. Now your whole data will be converted into table. Here you have table design menu. Just click on insert slicer. I just want to add for state. I just click on it, state. Press OK. Now here you can see a slicer. Every time I want to see, for example, New Jersey, I just click on it. So here you can see only New Jersey entries will be shown. I want to see for illusions, so illusions entry will be shown to me. You can also select multiple at the single time. Just click on it, make this option is on, so just select multiple. Now our regions entry will not be shown to us, all the other entries will be visible to us, like as you can see. On the 20th number, if you want to check top 3 units sold, you can use this formula. For the first one, you can use make function. So here is our whole data. Press enter. For the first one, you can use max function, but for the next one, you have to use large function. So large function, our array will be same data. So we want second largest or second highest. We just enter second at there. That is close, enter. Now same thing, we want third one. So we can do large bracket start, array will be same. So this time we want third largest. So you can see. On the 21st number, for example, you are working with intern and he sent you a file and you want to see all the formulas he is using that make some sense. You can check. Just go to your keyboard, press Control plus this button. So you can see all the formulas he are using in your sheet. You just click on formula, it will show us from where it's picking up values, like this you can see.